How to buy Technologia token. So this token came under the symbol of tech. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, don't forget to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 264 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 10 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 5 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your funds point for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select this Solana token and click here and paste token and send search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on it. Now, after that, click here on I understand, but make sure to read all of this and click on I understand. So, from the top, now you can select the token of Solana. And now, as you can see, you can type here how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see here swap. Now click on it. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. As easy, it's easy and simple. So this is how to buy tech token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.